when it comes to how we design learning programs, we should always be looking at the data from the programs that we deploy and looking to see where do we have opportunities for improvement. You have to be prepared to collaborate outside of the L&D world to get the data streams that you need in order to synthesize that all together and obviously put together a story about impact. People come to learning with different relationships to learning, different levels of believing whether or not they're going to be able to learn what's ahead of them. I think predictive analytics begins to allow us to look at our audience more in depth and begin to identify particular needs that might be the use of adaptive learning platforms where we are able to not only test the learner's knowledge, but also their confidence in what do they know, what they know. And I think that all of this, again, is really geared towards building a layer of data that's going to help us not only drive those personal learning pathways, but also understand the impacts of what we're doing. Ultimately, people leave jobs because they don't feel like they're being developed. And so I think the more that L&D can identify a employee's potential or a group of employees' potential and provide them with developmental opportunities that allow them to build towards that potential, the more likely it is that that employee is going to stay because they're going to feel developed and invested in.